Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. So welcome back to my channel. It's my third video that I filmed today, so I'm feeling a little cuckoo. Today we're going to be trying out the weirdest product that I've heard of in a while. Makeup companies are constantly trying to come out with new and exciting things, right? To get the consumers excited, get them intrigued, get them to wanna buy some shit. And to be honest, I'm all for it. I love gimmicks. I love packaging. I love flashy, kind of just like, oh, this is new, gotta try it. Even if it seems like it's maybe not the most practical thing, I always fall for it. I love that shit. And today is fallen right into that category where you're gonna be trying tooth polish. And I'm not talking the stuff that the dentist puts on your teeth with that like weird spinny thing, and you can either choose between like bubble gum or mint. No, tooth polish by a company called grwm. Grwm or Chrome. We've got a couple different shades here, and I need to try it. Teeth makeup, is it a thing? Should it be a thing? We're gonna find out. Without further ado, let's try out some of the teeth makeup. Now, the first one that I want to try is just the white one. This is called Uptight White, a bright Hollywood smile in a flash. Temporary instant tooth whitener. This is the one where I'm just like, I need to get my hands on that shit. Because as you can see, I don't have the brightest, whitest teeth. I like coffee, and I don't like getting my teeth whitened. Grwm is a tooth polish, just like nail polish, that can be applied to the teeth and removed in a matter of seconds, and lasts up to 24 hours at a time. It has no taste and comes in brights, whites, blacks, metallics, glitters, glow, and more. And it looks like it's vegan and cruelty-free, non-toxic, safe for teeth, not for use with braces. That makes sense. So the first step is to mix it up. Shake the bottle hard to mix the settled pigments. I wonder how many people are going to try putting nail polish on their teeth after kind of seeing this stuff, you know? Seems like a lawsuit waiting to happen. It came with these little cotton things that you're supposed to stick up there. I think I have something better. Well, we'll try it with this. We'll try it this way first, and then maybe I'll get creative, but oh, that's pretty. Hey guys, it's me. I got lip filler. Okay. This is horrifying. Sorry if you had nightmares. Dry the old chonkers here. And let's get to painting. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh my god. It doesn't smell good, you guys. I hate it. I hate it so much. I have never hated anything more than I hate this. Wow. From far away, it probably looks great, right? Oh my god, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. The color is pretty. Do I wish my teeth were always this white? Yes. Do I think that this looks good? Absolutely fucking not. Look at that. Do you see that? Ugh. It's chunky. I can feel it wrapping around my teeth. Apparently the way you take it off is just chit it. Could you imagine you're out and about trying to pass this off like it's your actual teeth, and that happens like at a restaurant or something, or while you're talking to somebody? Oh my god. Wow. Okay, first impressions are not looking good for tooth polish. What were they thinking? I don't know if they were thinking. The scent is like a mixture of nail polish and eyelash glue. Doesn't smell good, but maybe I did something wrong. Let's try another one, and I'm gonna get a device that I think is gonna help me paint my teeth. BRB. Okay guys, so here's my handy dandy little secret weapon. This is one of those mouth things that the dentist used to keep your lips out of the way. Alright, if you're new to our channel, this is probably a good time for me to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Okay, now my teeth should be pretty dry, and I wish for that a little bit, so this should actually be really good. This should be really good. This one doesn't want to go hard. Okay. Okay, so this one is called Uptight White. God, it smells even worse than the first one. Oh my god. This is truly the worst video I've ever filmed, worst product I've ever tried. There we have pearly whites. It's kind of cool that they're iridescent a little bit, but oh my god. Let's try the red. The promo picture here, the girl has the red on her canines in a vampire-esque fashion, or it looks like she's dressed up as Princess Mononoke. So let's do that. That's gonna be fun. That'll be fun. How do I do this? Oh my god. Yeah, vampire. Rawr. It doesn't feel good at all. It's making my teeth feel kind of sensitive. It's like, imagine putting nail polish on your teeth. That's what this feels like. Why am I doing it? I'm doing it so nobody else has to ever, because this is dumb. This is a dumb product. The smell is starting to like make me want to throw up a little bit. Last one, you guys, and I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for you. We're gonna do the black. I'm gonna go back in with our trusty dusty cotton here. I don't think it's so hard to open. I don't want you to use it. I'm gonna have to go ask Gary for help right now. Oh, it started leaking. That's a problem. God damn, the black is the one that I wanted to try. Alright guys, I got it open with some pliers. I'm gonna do a gap tooth. Oh my god. Wow. Would you guys still love me if I looked like this? Smooth and supple. I never felt more beautiful. Honestly, I like this one. I like the black. The black one works. I think all of the rest of them are very gimmicky, and they're just trying to be able to sell more product, which is totally understandable. Can't stop looking at myself with this. Okay guys, so I did a little something. Let me know what you think. So I saw Abora on Dragula do teeth like this, and I needed to try it. I can't stop laughing. This is fun, this is cool, and this is fun. I definitely like the black. The black one is the only one that you should get. The white ones are stupid, unless you have like perfect teeth. No, even if you have perfect teeth, you would be doing yourself a disservice, because the photos of the people with the white teeth, that's not real. This isn't real. This is Photoshop. These are veneers. It's a bull-faced lie. The black is cool if you want to get weird with it. Sorry if you have nightmares, but I wanted to test this because I don't want you guys to try this and think that it's good and then get bamboozled. Let me get bamboozled for you, okay? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Which one was your favorite? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and definitely liking, commenting, and subscribing, because I'm sure you will. And I'll see you in your dreams tonight.